Meanwhile, Kshitij Prasad is fast appearing as one of the key ringmasters in the drug nexus that has embroiled Bollywood. Arrested by the Narcotics Bureau, Kshitij was taken for medical examinations before being produced in court today via video conferencing. NCB sources say that Kshitij, who was a former employee of Dharma Productions, was evading questions during interrogation. The NCB officials are now trying to join the dots of this drug racket. Kshitij is accused of procuring and supplying drugs to high-profile individuals. He apparently got drugs from a South Mumbai-based restaurant owner, Ankush Arneja, who is already in NCB custody. In fact, the nexus here just keeps widening because Ankush was reportedly buying banned drugs from Sanket and Anuj Keshwani, known drug peddlers who have already been arrested. They're also linked to another drug peddler in Mumbai, Karamjit Singh, who was nabbed by the NCB as well earlier. NCB sleuths are now trying to join, in fact, all the dots to get the big picture of this drug racket in Mumbai. Pankaj Upadhyay is joining us live with more details on this. Pankaj, the information we have is that Kshitij Prasad so far has been rather evasive in his interrogation. But any links between him and other, actors or filmmakers, has any of that come to light?
Well, as far as the Narcotics Control Bureau is concerned, they maintain that the investigation is still on. The latest development here is that Kshitij Prasad, after the medical examination, has been brought back, and now he will be produced in front of the court through video conferencing. Just when he went inside, he said that he is being framed and that nothing has been found from his house as well. This is contrary to what the Narcotics Control Bureau has been saying. But what the NCB sources are saying, that they are in the possession of various WhatsApp chats between Kshitij Prasad and various drug peddlers as well, which includes Karamjit Singh, which also includes Ankush Arneja and Anuj Keshwani as well. So NCB says that they have enough evidence at hand and they are digging for more, and that is why in all likelihood the Narcotics Control Bureau would be seeking Kshitij Prasad's custody today. But at this point of time, he says that he is being framed. But the process of the Narcotics Control Bureau presenting Kshitij Prasad in front of the court is going to start very soon. And does the Narcotics Control Bureau succeed in getting the custody of Kshitij Prasad, who at least at this point of time is turning out to be a very important key, getting deep insights into the Bollywood? That really remains to be seen. But NCB says that Kshitij Prasad is a very critical link here, and with his interrogation they will be able to get more insight about this nexus that seeps deep inside Bollywood.
All right, Pankaj, for the moment, thank you for joining us. He's going to be produced today in court, Kshitij Prasad, but this will be via video conferencing.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.